Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So in this video today, I'm going to show you how to decorate a cloche. Come on with me, guys. Now we always get started with taking out the old, cleaning off the cloche. This was a DIY cloche with items that I purchased from Goodwill. Now the embellishments that I use for the DIY cloche were from BB Crafts, and then the items that I'm going to go ahead and decorate inside the cloche, those things came from the Dollar Tree. So let's talk about what a cloche is. It's usually a cover and it can be plastic or glass. I usually use a big fish bowl, which is what I used in this DIY dome that covers something that you either decorate. Sometimes we even use them for plants. Now I have had people ask me if you can use a jar. Of course you can use a jar. Anything that you can enclose, you can use. So it can be plastic, it can be glass. You do want to make sure that you can see through it so that people can see what you're decorating with or what kind of plants you're using. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much for supporting all three of my channels. Thank you. Now what I'm doing here is just taking all that dust off the glass. Now I'm using Windex, but you can go ahead and use maybe vinegar and water, whatever it is that you use to clean glass. And after we get done with that, then I'm going to show you what I'm decorating the inside of this cloche with, because this is going on my windowsill. Now, you can also do a theme when you're decorating these cloches, which I absolutely love. So, of course, we're going to decorate for spring. That's one of the little fairy little homes that you can get from the Dollar Tree. I love the ice cream collection, but I haven't seen it yet. Then I saw these little bunnies. Aren't they absolutely adorable? So, of course, we're going to place a bunny because this represents spring. And then I have some moss. Okay, so a little flower, whatever I had left in my stash. So you can pretty much decorate it however it is that you want. Now, I absolutely love decorating this particular cloche because it was the first one that I ever DIY'd. And doesn't it look royal? Now, I always keep in mind whenever I'm decorating something like this for display that it's always going to be something that I enjoy looking at. So as you can see here, I think that this first cloche turned out absolutely amazing. Now I moved over to a Dollar Tree cloche. They sell these pretty much all of the time, and you can put anything in there. It is on the small side, but they do have a new plastic dome because some people do enclose plants from various reasons. So they have a plastic one in the gardening section, and these cloches I think are in the craft section. What I did was I took one of the wooden little tiny tree embellishments, I painted it in white, and so that became the handle on the top of the cloche. Then I put a purple ribbon, and then I'm just going very simple because this cloche is on the small side, and this is going to come out amazing. Once this is done, we're going to head on over to the review. So this was very inexpensive to make, and you can use it as an accent piece for a tier tray, or you can just accent any area of your home with it, and it looks so beautiful. Let's head on over to the review. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Amen.